Friends, you are warmly welcome to the Sahityam competition classes. As you all know that this result has been released for the examination between 24 September and 4 November. Today we will tell about the official answer key of NTA NET in our new video. Public notice 16 नवंबर 2020. Subject display of questions marked response and provisional answer key of UGC NET June 2020. The UGC NET June 2020 has commenced from 24 September 2020 and will last till 13 November 2020 through computer based test CBT mode is spread over a period of 12 examination day during September to November 2020. The question papers marked response of each candidate and the provisional answer key for 26 NET subjects Hindi in two shifts conducted between 4 November and 13 November 2020 would be made available on the website ugcnet.nta.nic.in. The candidates who appeared in the test may log into the website using their application number and date of birth and click the link for display of their question papers and marked responses and the provisional answer key. Candidates may also challenge the answer key online at the above mentioned website, giving details of their observation with supporting evidence if any. For the challenge, they are required to pay a processing fee for Rs 100 per answer challenged. The fee will be refunded if the challenge is found to be correct upon verification by experts. The payment can be made online through payment gateway using debit or credit card, net banking. No challenge will be considered without receipt of processing fee. This facility will be available from 16th November 2020 to 18 November 2020 6 p.m. The payment for the processing fee may be made through debit or credit card, net banking up to 8 p.m. of 18 November 2020. The candidates are advised to take a note for this facility and act accordingly. Senior Director NTA. Following subjects 4 November, 5th November, 11th November, 12th November, 13th November. Friends, if you are on our YouTube channel for the first time, then please subscribe to the channel.